For our next pattern, we're going to be leading the lady into a tuck-in turn. And we have 3 different ways to do this. So we're starting with a basic rock step. I switch the hand into handshake hold rock step. Now from here, I bring her in slightly and triple push, triple step, rock step. So my lead is on the 3rd step. So we take a rock step, triple step, rock step. Now I can also continue with contact, rock step, rock step. I can do from a double hand hold, rock step, rock step.